Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of teeth whitening, specifically, how you can safely brighten your smile from the comfort of your own home. Many people desire whiter teeth, but it's important to approach this goal with caution to avoid damaging your enamel or gums. In this video, we'll explore proven, gentle methods for at-home whitening, discuss what really works, and highlight what to avoid. Whether you're preparing for a special event or just want to boost your confidence, these tips will help you achieve a brighter smile safely and effectively. Let's get started on your journey to a healthier, whiter smile. Before we jump into whitening methods, it's helpful to understand why teeth become discolored in the first place. Common causes include consuming staining foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine, as well as habits like smoking. Age, genetics, and certain medications can also play a role. By identifying the source of discoloration, you can better tailor your whitening approach and set realistic expectations. Remember, some stains are only on the surface, while others are deeper and may require more time or professional help to address. It's important to set realistic goals when it comes to whitening your teeth at home. While over-the-counter products and natural remedies can help lighten stains, they may not deliver the dramatic results of professional treatments. Aim for gradual improvement and remember that everyone's teeth have a natural shade. The goal is a healthy, brighter smile, not an unnaturally white one. By managing your expectations, you'll be more satisfied with your results and less likely to overuse products that could harm your teeth. The foundation of any whitening routine is good oral hygiene. Brushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, flossing daily, and regular dental checkups are essential for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. These habits help prevent new stains from forming and can even remove some surface discoloration. Before starting any whitening regimen, make sure your oral hygiene routine is solid. This not only supports whitening efforts, but also keeps your mouth healthy overall. Whitening toothpastes are a simple and accessible way to gently remove surface stains. These products contain mild abrasives and sometimes low concentrations of peroxide or other whitening agents. When choosing a whitening toothpaste, look for one with the American Dental Association, ADA seal of approval, which ensures safety and effectiveness. Use as directed and avoid aggressive brushing, as this can wear down enamel over time. Whitening strips are a popular at-home option. These thin, flexible strips are coated with a peroxide-based gel and are applied directly to the teeth for a set period, usually 30 minutes. They can lighten teeth by a few shades over a couple of weeks. Always follow the instructions carefully to avoid gum irritation or tooth sensitivity. If you experience discomfort, reduce frequency or stop use and consult your dentist. Another effective at-home method involves whitening gels and trays. These kits typically include a peroxide-based gel and a tray that fits over your teeth. The tray helps ensure even coverage and minimizes contact with your gums. Results can be noticeable after a week or two of consistent use. As always, follow the product instructions and avoid overuse, which can lead to sensitivity or gum irritation. Lead whitening kits have become increasingly popular for at-home use. These kits combine a whitening gel with a blue LED light, which is believed to accelerate the whitening process. While some users report good results, scientific evidence is mixed. If you choose to try an LED kit, make sure the gel is safe for home use and follow all instructions. Monitor your teeth and gums for any signs of irritation. Baking soda is a common household item that can be used as a gentle abrasive to help remove surface stains. To use, mix a small amount with water to form a paste and brush gently. Limit use to a few times per week to avoid wearing down enamel. Baking soda is not a substitute for toothpaste, but it can be a helpful addition to your routine for mild whitening effects. Hydrogen peroxide is a common ingredient in whitening products, but using it directly at home requires caution. Over-the-counter concentrations are generally safe when used as directed, but higher concentrations can damage teeth and gums. Never use industrial-strength hydrogen peroxide. If you choose to use a diluted solution, rinse your mouth thoroughly and avoid swallowing. Always consult your dentist before trying new whitening agents. Some DIY whitening methods can do more harm than good. Avoid using acidic substances like lemon juice or vinegar, as they can erode enamel and increase sensitivity. Similarly, abrasive materials like charcoal or salt can scratch the tooth surface. Stick to methods that are dentist-approved and supported by research to protect your oral health. Oil pulling, or swishing oil like coconut oil in your mouth, is a traditional remedy believed to improve oral health and whiten teeth. While it may help reduce bacteria and freshen breath, scientific evidence for its whitening effects is limited. If you enjoy oil pulling, it's generally safe, but don't rely on it as your primary whitening method. Your daily habits play a big role in the color of your teeth. Limiting foods and drinks that stain, such as coffee, tea, and red wine, can help maintain your whitening results. Drinking through a straw and rinsing your mouth with water after consuming staining substances can also reduce discoloration. Quitting smoking is one of the most effective ways to prevent yellowing and improve overall oral health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps wash away food particles and bacteria that can cause stains. Rinsing your mouth with water after meals or snacks is a simple habit that supports both oral health and whitening efforts. Water is also the best beverage for your teeth, as it doesn't contain sugars or acids that can harm enamel. One simple trick to minimize staining is to use a straw when drinking beverages like coffee, tea, or soda. This reduces direct contact between the liquid and your teeth, helping to prevent new stains from forming. While it may not be practical for every drink, using a straw whenever possible can make a noticeable difference over time. Professional dental cleanings are an important part of maintaining a bright smile. Your dentist or hygienist can remove tartar and surface stains that brushing alone can't address. Regular cleanings not only keep your teeth looking their best, but also support overall oral health. Aim for a cleaning every 6 months, or as recommended by your dental professional. Some whitening methods can cause temporary tooth sensitivity. If you notice discomfort, try using a toothpaste designed for sensitive teeth and reduce the frequency of whitening treatments. Avoid very hot or cold foods and drinks until sensitivity subsides. If the problem persists, consult your dentist for advice and alternative options. If you have dental restorations like crowns, veneers, or fillings, keep in mind that whitening products will not change their color. This can result in uneven shades if your natural teeth become lighter than your restorations. If you're considering whitening, discuss your plans with your dentist to ensure a consistent, natural-looking smile. Teeth whitening products are generally not recommended for children under the age of 14, as their teeth and gums are still developing. If your child is concerned about tooth color, focus on good oral hygiene and regular dental visits. Consult your dentist before considering any whitening treatments for children or teens. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid whitening products unless advised by your dentist. While there is limited research on the effects of whitening agents during pregnancy, it's always safer to postpone cosmetic treatments until after this period. Focus on maintaining good oral hygiene and a healthy diet for now. Certain foods can help naturally clean and whiten your teeth. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural abrasives, scrubbing away surface stains as you chew. Dairy products like cheese and yogurt contain calcium and phosphates that strengthen enamel and may help keep teeth looking bright. Enamel is the hard outer layer of your teeth, and it's essential for both health and appearance. Once enamel is worn away, it cannot be replaced. Protect your enamel by avoiding acidic foods and drinks, using a soft bristled toothbrush, and not overusing whitening products. Strong enamel helps your teeth look whiter and stay healthy. Consistency is key when it comes to whitening your teeth at home. Follow the recommended schedule for any product you use, and avoid doubling up on treatments in hopes of faster results. Overuse can lead to sensitivity and damage. Give your teeth time to recover between whitening cycles, and always prioritize your oral health. Track your whitening progress by taking photos before you start and at regular intervals. This helps you see subtle changes that may not be obvious day to day. If you notice any negative effects, such as increased sensitivity or gum irritation, pause your routine and consult your dentist. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. If at-home whitening methods aren't giving you the results you want, or if you experience persistent pain or sensitivity, it's time to see a dentist. Some stains are too deep to be removed at home and may require professional treatment. Your dentist can recommend the safest and most effective options for your unique needs. Most whitening products use either hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide as their active ingredient. These chemicals break down stains on the surface and within the tooth. While generally safe in low concentrations, overuse or misuse can cause irritation. Always read labels and follow instructions to ensure safe use. Whitening agents penetrate the enamel to break up stains and lighten the color of your teeth. This process is effective for both surface and some deeper stains, but results vary depending on the cause of discoloration. Understanding how these products work can help you choose the best method for your needs and avoid unrealistic expectations. While it may be tempting to use whitening products frequently for faster results, overuse can lead to enamel erosion, increased sensitivity, and gum irritation. Always stick to recommended usage guidelines and give your teeth time to recover between treatments. Remember, a healthy smile is more important than a perfectly white one. Be cautious when buying whitening products online or from unfamiliar sources. Look for products with reputable brands and safety certifications. Avoid items that promise instant results or contain unknown ingredients. If in doubt, ask your dentist for recommendations to ensure you're using safe and effective products. Always read the labels on whitening products carefully. Look for active ingredients, concentration levels, and usage instructions. Pay attention to warnings about sensitivity or gum irritation. Understanding what's in your product helps you use it safely and effectively and ensures you're not exposing yourself to unnecessary risks. Some toothbrushes are designed with special bristles or polishing cups to help remove surface stains. While they can enhance your daily routine, they won't dramatically whiten your teeth on their own. Use them in combination with other safe whitening methods for best results. Whitening mouthwashes can help maintain results by reducing surface stains and freshening breath. Look for products with hydrogen peroxide and use as directed. Mouthwashes are best used as a supplement to brushing and other whitening methods, not as a standalone solution. Saliva plays a crucial role in keeping your mouth clean and neutralizing acids that can cause stains. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can stimulate saliva production and help wash away food particles. Staying hydrated also supports healthy saliva flow and overall oral health. If you have sensitive teeth, choose whitening products specifically formulated for sensitivity. These often contain lower concentrations of peroxide and added ingredients to soothe nerves. Always start with a patch test and monitor your reaction. If sensitivity persists, consult your dentist for alternatives. If you have braces or other orthodontic appliances, whitening can be tricky. Products may not reach areas covered by brackets, leading to uneven results. It's usually best to wait until after your orthodontic treatment is complete before starting a whitening regimen. Your orthodontist can provide guidance tailored to your situation. As we age, our teeth naturally darken due to changes in enamel and dentin. Whitening can still be effective, but results may be less dramatic. Older adults should use gentle methods and consult their dentist to avoid exacerbating sensitivity or other dental issues. To keep your teeth white after whitening, maintain good oral hygiene, limit staining foods and drinks, and avoid smoking. Regular touch-ups with safe products can help preserve your results. Remember, consistency is key to a lasting, bright smile. There are many myths about teeth whitening, such as the belief that natural remedies like strawberries or lemon juice are safe and effective. In reality, these acidic substances can harm enamel. Stick to methods supported by dental research and avoid fads that promise instant results. At-home whitening methods are generally more affordable than professional treatments. However, prices can vary widely depending on the product and brand. Consider your budget and look for products with proven safety and effectiveness. Sometimes, investing a little more in a reputable product can save you from costly dental repairs later. Some whitening products come with single-use plastics or non-recyclable packaging. If environmental impact is important to you, look for eco-friendly options or brands that use sustainable packaging. Every small choice can help reduce your environmental footprint while you care for your smile. If you travel frequently, consider portable whitening options like whitening pens or travel-sized toothpaste. These are easy to pack and can help you maintain your routine on the go. Remember to store products properly and avoid exposing them to extreme temperatures. If you have a big event coming up, start your whitening routine a few weeks in advance for best results. Avoid last-minute treatments that could cause sensitivity or irritation. Plan ahead and use gentle, proven methods to ensure your smile is at its brightest when it matters most. Let's recap the key steps for safely whitening your teeth at home. Maintain good oral hygiene, choose reputable products, follow instructions, avoid harmful DIY methods, and consult your dentist if you have concerns. With patience and consistency, you can achieve a brighter smile without compromising your dental health. You may still have questions about at-home teeth whitening. Common concerns include how long results last, what to do if you experience sensitivity, and whether whitening is safe for everyone. Remember, results vary and safety should always come first. When in doubt, seek advice from your dental professional. Achieving a whiter smile at home is possible with the right approach and a little patience. Focus on safe, proven methods and remember that your dental health is the top priority. A bright, healthy smile can boost your confidence and well-being. Thanks for watching, and here's to your happiest, healthiest smile yet.